In TranZact, we do have a very good feature, which is the transaction status. So let me guide you that what exactly is transaction status and how you can go and use it for your use case. Quickly, let's go to our transaction module. So please have a look. This is the list of transactions which we have created. Here, if you can see that there is an invoice status and good status that reflect that exactly on which stage the transaction is. Like suppose if the invoice, you can see that invoice pending, invoice created, and then after the good status in the received, pending, dispatched. So very well these transaction status get changed according to your action. Now let me go and describe a little bit that how exactly it works. So suppose you have created a purchase transaction. In that purchase transaction, you have inverted the material, the GRN have been created, but the invoice have not been punched. So in that scenario, what will happen? Please have a look. So the good status will come as received, but the invoice status will show pending. Same going in the next part, which is around the PO for coconut. If you can see that here, the inward, the good is partially received. That means the inward half of the material we have received and half of the material is pending and invoice is not created. Now coming to the next part, this is an order confirmation which I am highlighting. So here, please have a look. The good have been dispatched, but the invoice is pending. That means the good have been dispatched through the delivery challan option, but the invoice have not been created. So once the invoice will get created, then after in this transaction, you can see that invoice created and good dispatched. So this is how our transaction status works. Also, please have a look if any of the purchase document or sales document is created and is kept in draft. It has not been sent, saved and sent to the counterparty, to the vendor. So in this scenario, the transaction status is being displayed at draft. I hope it helps you out. Have a good day.